Good morning, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I am freshly back off my holiday, so welcome. It is September 2020 for those that might be watching a year from now. We've just had a lovely holiday, very peaceful. So I'm just getting back into my pour routine, my lovely art therapy. So thanks for joining me again, and thanks so much if you're a subscriber. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you join me every single day for my craziness in the art room. So I have this lovely big round canvas. I do have it on my Lazy Susan spinner. This Lazy Susan was off my barbecue table and now it's been stolen for the art room. I don't think I'm going to need to spin today because I've just got a bit of a different idea. Everything I have got that I'm using today is the Mont studio acrylics. The studio acrylics now come in the lovely 1 litre, the 1 litre containers, so they're obviously a lot easier to handle than the 2 litres, because I think a lot of people were having trouble with the 2 litres that don't use a prolific amount of paint, unlike myself. But they come in these 1 litre now with a pump action. And as I've told you before, I'm hearing that all the Mont products are available in the US and Europe, Amazon, but if you're in America, they're supposed to be all coming to your Hobby Lobby. So, and of course, if you're in Australia, you just have to look in my drop-down box and click on the Capriole Shabby Chic, and that is where you will get all everything that I use here in Australia. You hop on there and you can find everything I use on that particular site. So this was a metallic that I mixed up before I went away when I was mixing metallics out of golds and silvers, and this one was just the silver adding a blob of black. So it is pretty runny, but I'm hoping that it work. So it was the metallic silver with a blob of black, and it makes it this really gorgeous, like gunmetal grey. So wish me luck for the I'm just hoping that this is okay. Like I said, it was mixed before I went away. I want to leave sort of a diagonal on the circle that way. I'm going to just spread this with my nice little spatula. I've got quite a few things planned for exploring, all sorts of things. I've got so many new products to try, so I'm going to try them all while you guys are with me, so I can see how they go or see how they don't go, whichever might be the case. I'm not worried about straight lines at all in this one here, so I just want to get this gunmetal grey over this part. So thank you so much anyway for joining me, and I do hope that you are all really feeling okay and not feeling too down in the doldrums with what's happening to us all. If you are, there is definitely people out there to help. Just get on a helpline, phone a friend or a family member. So just don't want any of you to be suffering in silence or suffering alone, because there's always somebody there to help us. That's what I found anyway with my life, and I know that if you look, there's plenty of people that do want to help you if you're suffering a bit of depression or just down in the dumps. Go and walk in nature, go and walk barefooted in the grass, go and ground yourself. What I was doing when I was away. I loved that I could go on the beach just barefooted and feet in the sand. often, yeah, often all you need to put you back on track again. So, okay, that's a wiggly line. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to worry about it whatsoever. So this is my thing for this one. I have mixed this in my normal pouring medium and the normal way, and the description is in the drop down box. So I am going to, this is the, I think it was the purple, or it could have been the violet of the, I'll have a double check in a second. So just putting it through there. I'm going to go with the brilliant red. You say, what is she doing now? Like, what is she doing? Weird old planet, weird old planet. So this is the orange that I've put a nice big dash of yellow in the orange. It always brings it up again, like really brighter, even brighter. Where do we go? Where do we go? Okay, I want to put some white in here. Try and do these swirly things. Okie dokie. That's done that. Let's just try and tilt this a little bit, just to try and cover any baldy spots I've got in my paint. It looks nice and bright. It's the bright in the darkness of the gunmetal. I like it. Just tilting off a bit of paint. Just covering it. You know, these canvases of the paints, they're normally self-level anyway, once they're left to dry. But I can see that I've got some like gooby bits in there because, as I said, I mixed this paint before I went away and I just covered it up. So, but you know, it's mixed media now then, isn't it? It's no worries. No worries. So let's see. I am going to put, this is a yellow that I just mixed this one particular yellow with Floetrol only, no silicone, just Floetrol. I did a previous pour to see if I could get some lacing happening. So I'm going to see what it does for my swipe. I might just swipe in just smaller swipes than just getting my whole big one. So this is just the soft plastic file divider. It's just got dried paint on it because I obviously didn't wash it well enough, but that's absolutely fine. So I want to just see if I can, what I can get to happen through this grey, gunmetal grey. Oh, look at that lacing. Oh my goodness. Hello, Benson. You come to see Mommy? Yes, I have, and you're not taking any notice of me. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that lacing. That's obviously just from that little bit of yellow. It's got the Floetrol in it. Yeah, Floetrol just gives a different kind of cell than the glue. It gives more of a lacy kind of cell. So let's do this. Well, it's certainly bright. Just what I needed. As you know, I love, love, love my brights. My brights. I love colour. Having said that, I did do a monochrome one and was very excited about that. So I think I got asked, is that Jill? Where are you? And what have you done? Where is she? And what have you done with her? Because I didn't believe it was me doing such monochrome. But you've got to try everything, even if it's not you. Wow, I love it. I love that. That looks super duper. Super duper, really does. Right, what it may need is my little, just get little bamboo skewer or yeah, just a skewer. I just want to take out some of these. I just run some things through it, the areas that you don't, well, it's not that you don't even like, but you want to add a little bit more interest in there. Not that this one is not interesting, because look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous, even if I do say so myself. So if you use your stick in it, just remember to wipe your stick off in between, just so as you don't get anything muddying up. So I'm not, the lacing is unbelievable. Excuse me, I just need a drink. Talk too much. Wow, I like it. I love it, in fact. Love it. It is, I've had no heat to it yet. I'll just go with the heat through the centre. Oh, and it's just one of them to burst the bubbles. No more. Oh my goodness, I love it. That is a stunner. I love it, guys. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to finish off my edges, which is just with the grey paint. It's a stunner. Wait on for my photos at the end. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. And thank you for all your good holiday, happy holiday wishes you've sent to me. You people are so kind and thoughtful, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So I hope you've enjoyed this pour, watching it as much as I've enjoyed doing it. So until tomorrow, because I put a pour out every day, I will see you then. So be safe, people, and love one another. Bye for now.